Hey everyone, welcome back to Elegancepreneur channel. Are you dreaming of starting your own real estate business but don't know where to begin? Well, you're in the right place. By 2025, the real estate market is expected to evolve even further, and there's never been a better time to get started. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to launch your real estate business from scratch. Let's dive in. Step 1. Do your research and get educated. Real estate is a complex industry, so it's crucial to understand the basics. Start by learning about property types, market trends, and legal requirements. Consider taking online courses, attending seminars, or even getting a real estate license if your area requires it. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Pro tip: follow industry leaders on social media, listen to real estate podcasts, and read books like The Millionaire Real Estate Investor to stay ahead of the game. Step 2. Create a solid business plan. This is your roadmap to success. Your plan should include your target market, funding strategy, marketing approach, and financial goals. Ask yourself, will you focus on residential, commercial, or rental properties? How much startup capital do you need? And what's your long-term vision? Having a clear plan will not only keep you focused, but also help you secure funding if needed. Investors and lenders love to see a well-thought-out strategy. Step 3. Build your brand and network. In real estate, your reputation is everything. Start by creating a professional brand. This includes a memorable logo, a user-friendly website, and active social media profiles. Next, network like crazy. Attend local real estate events, join online forums, and connect with other professionals like agents, contractors, and lenders. Remember, real estate is a people business. The stronger your network, the more opportunities you'll have to grow your business. Step 4. Secure funding and start small. Unless you have a lot of cash on hand, you'll likely need financing to get started. Explore options like bank loans, private investors, or partnerships. Once you have the funds, start small, maybe with a single-family home or a small rental property. This will help you gain experience without taking on too much risk. Don't try to do it all at once. Focus on one deal at a time, and as you gain confidence and capital, you can scale up. Step 5. Market and grow your business. Use a mix of online and offline strategies to attract clients. Leverage social media ads, create valuable content, and don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth referrals. As you close deals, reinvest your profits to grow your portfolio and expand your business. And that's it. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you'll be well on your way to building a successful real estate business by 2025. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to grow your business. And if you have any questions or want to share your real estate journey, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.